Internal glass and mirror cleaning. Before you start work, check the appropriate safe system of work, including chemical safety data sheet, COSH assessment and risk assessment before commencing the task. Ventilate the area where possible. Clean your hands as per the local policy. Check for cuts and abrasions. Cover with a waterproof dressing if required. Select, check and put on appropriate PPE as per the risk assessment. Please refer to the national standards for healthcare cleanliness. Assemble colour-coded equipment and/or machinery. Using appropriate PPE, prepare the approved cleaning, disinfecting agent according to manufacturer's instructions. Place caution signs. Ensure cleaning chemicals, disinfecting agents are kept safely locked away, either in the trolley or cleaning cupboard at all times, including in between tasks. Check for any damage to the area and report it in line with local policy. If you notice any signs of pest infestation, report as required. The tools you'll need to clean internal glass are caution signs if appropriate PPE as per the risk assessment, bucket with cleaning disinfecting agent, cloths, disposable cloths or pre-impregnated wipes. We'll now talk you through how to clean internal glass. Make sure the work area is safe. Using a clean cloth, clean from top to bottom, making sure that each pass of the cloth overlaps the last and that all edges are included. Using a second dry cloth, wipe the surface again, making sure that all smears and marks have been removed. Reinstate the area for use. When you've finished the task, check all areas are completed. Correctly dispose of or clean materials used as per your local policy. Always check with your supervisor if you are unsure. Dispose of any waste or debris as per your local policy. If using cleaning disinfecting agents, ensure you lock them away safely. Clean and dry all equipment. Clean and remove caution signs when the area is safe and dry. Store equipment away safely. Charge battery or machinery as per manufacturer's instructions. Correctly dispose of all PPE. Clean your hands. Close ventilation where necessary.